The ancient Stoics embraced discretion and valued the wisdom of silence. They recognized that not all thoughts or experiences merit sharing with the world. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus stated, "There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things beyond the power of our will." Bearing this wisdom in mind, stick with me till the end as we explore the 5 lessons that Stoicism teaches us to keep to ourselves in the pursuit of wisdom and inner strength. 1. Avoid bragging about personal growth. Epictetus wisely suggests that as we endeavor to grow and evolve, we should do so with a sense of humility and discretion. Rather than loudly proclaiming our efforts and achievements to the world, he urges us to let our actions speak for themselves. You see, true self-improvement isn't about seeking applause or recognition from others. It's a deeply personal journey, one that we embark upon for our own benefit, not for the admiration of onlookers. When we constantly boast about our progress, we risk diluting the sincerity of our intentions. It's akin to announcing our goals before we've even achieved them, which can inadvertently sap our motivation and commitment. Epictetus encourages us to live by the age-old adage, "Actions speak louder than words." Indeed, the measure of our growth lies not in the grandiosity of our declarations, but in the tangible changes we manifest in our behavior, character, and mindset. True growth is demonstrated through the way we treat others, the wisdom we impart, and the virtues we embody. People are more likely to be influenced and impressed by the tangible improvements they witness in us, rather than by the empty words we speak. According to Epictetus, the path to self-improvement is best traveled with humility and modesty. Let our actions and results do the talking, for this is the most genuine and impactful way to inspire and influence those around us. 2. Refrain from speaking negatively about yourself. As Marcus Aurelius wisely advised, don't be overheard complaining, not even to yourself. Why is this admonition so crucial? It's about safeguarding your self-confidence and mental well-being. When you consistently indulge in thoughts like, "I'm terrible at this," or "I'll never improve," you're essentially eroding your own self-esteem. These negative self-assessments can have a profound and debilitating impact on your motivation, hindering your personal growth. To adhere to this Stoic wisdom, it's vital to be mindful of your inner dialogue. Instead of tearing yourself down, strive to remind yourself of your potential and capabilities. Tell yourself, "I am capable of achieving this, and if not immediately, I will get there eventually." By adopting this positive and growth-oriented mindset, you'll bolster your self-confidence and resilience, aligning yourself with the core tenets of Stoicism. Remember, the way we speak to ourselves shapes our reality. Let's choose to uplift and empower ourselves through our inner dialogue, embracing the strength and resilience that Stoicism advocates. 3. Stop being ungrateful. Let's delve into a crucial aspect of our interactions with others, expressing gratitude and avoiding ingratitude. It's essential never to convey a lack of appreciation, for life itself is a remarkable gift that warrants our gratitude for every moment we're granted. As Epictetus wisely stated, true wisdom lies in finding joy in what we possess, rather than grieving over what we lack. This timeless wisdom reminds us to always acknowledge and be thankful for the blessings in our lives. In essence, being ungrateful means failing to recognize or show appreciation for the good things that come our way. It can take various forms, from overlooking the kindness of others to taking our daily comforts for granted. Practicing gratitude is a way of recognizing the positive aspects of our lives and acknowledging the efforts of those who contribute to our well-being. When we express ingratitude, we risk alienating ourselves from those around us, fostering misunderstandings and strained relationships. On the other hand, expressing gratitude fosters positive connections and creates an environment where people feel valued and appreciated. So, in your interactions with others, remember the importance of expressing gratitude. Cultivate a habit of acknowledging and appreciating acts of kindness, opportunities, and blessings that come your way. By doing so, you not only enrich your own life, but also contribute to fostering positive relationships and recognizing the beauty and goodness that surrounds you. 4. Don't be overly talkative. You have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. In today's noisy world, where everyone wants to be heard, this advice holds profound meaning. Listening is more than just staying quiet. It's about paying attention to others. When you listen, you show respect for their thoughts and feelings. In a world full of noise, being a good listener sets you apart. It helps build strong relationships and fosters trust. Plus, listening isn't just polite, it's also smart. You can learn new things and grow as a person by hearing what others have to say. So, next time you're in a conversation, remember Zeno's wisdom. Listen more than you speak. It's a simple way to connect with others and become a better person. 5. Stop complaining for a happier life. As Marcus Aurelius wisely noted, very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. In essence, our happiness largely hinges on our mindset and how we choose to perceive and respond to the world. So, why doesn't complaining help? It typically spirals into a repetitive and unproductive cycle. When we complain, it seldom results in solutions or positive changes. Instead, it fosters a sense of victimhood and helplessness, reinforcing the notion that we lack control over our circumstances. This can exacerbate stress and frustration. Moreover, constant complaining strains our relationships. It can drain the emotions of those around us, leading them to be less inclined to offer support or companionship over time. Negative energy is contagious, and complaining tends to spread it. On the flip side, choosing not to complain and focusing on the positives can have transformative effects on our lives. By shifting our mindset and outlook, we invite positivity and resilience into our experiences, leading to greater contentment and fulfillment. Congratulations for sticking up to the end and understanding the Stoic wisdom of silence today. Subscribe and join us as we uncover more Stoic wisdom and navigate life's crossroads together. We invite you to share your own experiences and insights in the comments below. Your stories are the guiding stars of our Stoic community, inspiring and supporting one another in our journey towards wisdom. Stay Stoic.